Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Plains blizzard snarls Christmas travel for millions across the central United States. Dangerous blizzard conditions from a strong storm system are snarling travel along the major interstates in the central United States for the millions of holiday travelers hitting the road or catching the flight as the Christmas holiday comes to an end. A powerful storm that already caused problems for the Southern California and desert Southwest last week, fueled by an El Nino charged southern jet stream, has teamed up with another storm dropping out of the Pacific Northwest to create a variety of the impactful weather. While those on the warm side of the storm in the southeast face a soaking rain and an isolated flash flood threat, the backside of the storm will bring heavy snow as a cold air mass from the Canada dips into the northern portions of the United States. Blizzard warnings have been issued in the plains through the Wednesday as the storm brings gusty winds and blinding snow to the region. Up to a half foot of the snow has already been measured west of the Denver in the Rockies of Colorado on Sunday. As much as 8 inches was recorded in Burlington, Colorado, along the state border with the Kansas. The storm has since moved northeast and created hazardous driving conditions across the northern plains. Nebraska State Patrol reported Interstate 80 eastbound was closed on Christmas Day as the yoke after the multiple semi-trucks wrecked in the blizzard conditions. Near zero visibility was reported Christmas Day on the Interstate 90 in the South Dakota, prompting officials to close parts of the highway between the Mitchell and Rapid City. Officials said no travel advisories for the secondary roads throughout the state are also likely because of high winds, icy roads, blowing snow, and low visibilities. Blizzard warnings have been issued for more than 500,000 people across the southeastern and south central South Dakota and central and northeastern Nebraska. Other winter weather alerts are in effect for other portions of the region stretching from the parts of the Wyoming and Colorado northeastwards to portions of the western and northern Kansas, Nebraska, South Dakota, and North Dakota. More rapid intensification of the low pressure system is expected to occur over the western portions of the Midwest into Tuesday, introducing a significant threat of strong gusty winds that will increase and expand across the north central United States. Blizzard conditions are most likely through Tuesday morning. According to the National Weather Service, a snowstorm must reach the following criteria to become an official blizzard: sustained winds or frequent gusts to at least 35 miles per hour and considerable fall and or blowing snow that frequently reduces visibility to 1/4 mile or less, both of which must persist for a period of 3 hours or longer. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.